Today I'm gonna teach exercise number 4.3, quadratic equation. Question number 9, under root 3x square minus 5x plus 2 plus under root 6x square minus 11x plus 5 is equal to under root 5x square minus 9x plus 4. In this question we can see that there is no same term that we consider or we let. So what we will do, we can see that how to solve this question by breaking midterm. How to break midterm by making factor. So 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6. So factors are minus 2 and minus 3. 3x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 2. Minus minus plus 2 plus 3 5, sign minus. If we multiply 2 multiply 3, 2 3s are 6, minus minus plus. So next 6 5s are 30, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 15, 3 1s are 0, 5 6 are 30. So the factors are minus 5 and minus 6. 6x square minus 6x minus 5, 6 minus 5, 11, sign minus, plus 5, which is equal to 5 4s are 20. Factor of 20 are 21s are 20, 2 10s are 20, 4 5s are 20. So the factor are 4 and 5. 5x square minus 5x minus 4x, minus minus plus 5 plus 4 9, sign minus, plus 4. And if we multiply 5 4s are 20, minus minus plus. Now what we will do, we will take common. X is common, 3x minus 2. So here minus, so we will take common minus 1. Minus minus plus 3x minus plus minus 2. Now next 6x is common, what is left? X is left, minus 6x is common, 1 is left. 5 is common, minus minus plus x minus plus minus 5, 1s are 5. Next 5x is common, 5x is common, x minus 5x is common, 1 is left. We'll take common. Why will take common of minus? Because here sign is minus. So if we take minus common, here positive sign become negative sign. So minus 4 is common. Minus minus plus x minus plus minus 4, 1s are 4. Now the factors are 3x minus 2, x minus 1 plus under root 6x minus 5 and x minus 1 are factor, under root 5x minus 4 and x minus 1 are factor. Now 3x minus 2, x minus 1 plus under root 6x minus 5, x minus 1. Positive sign become negative sign when we take in the right side. 5x minus 4 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we can see that under root x minus 1 is common, under root x minus 1, under root x minus. So we'll take under root x minus 1 as common. What is left? Under root 3x minus 2 is left, plus under root x minus 1 is common, under root 6x minus 5 is left, minus under root x minus 1 is common, under root 5x minus 4 is left, is equal to 0. Now first of all we will take under root x minus 1 is equal to 0, next time we will put this whole time equal to 0. So under root x minus 1